Gonna sound cool when we leave this floor and listen. We're at 155 Bovet in Mateo. Oh, this one has innovation.
What? And a different indicator.
Man, those generators are loud. 1 or 2? 2. Yeah, this is weird. Watch the other one have like Epco or something.
That'd be cool. Yeah, and that has newer innovation call buttons in the lobby.
Just for shits and giggles, let's try to get that last part. What? Freaking sales sample elevators. What buttons does this one have? Oh, it's a service elevator.
But this one has the like
taller cab. Yeah, very interesting set of elevators. They're like half modded.
Yeah, it almost looks like they planned to mod them again.